We finish this portion. We finish this project after 4 days to continuing this project. Okay, using first coating and final coating. It's a light color only. Okay. Because no available color for original color of this beaker, so we need to purchase the most important to cover the rush. It's better to look this instead rush. First coating and then final coating. Important to cover the rush. Okay. So after first coating until final coating. This area no problem. We can fix it some other day because it's too wet. The pillar. So that is the side effect of the pillar if not totally dry. Okay. It's easy to repair this next time. Just to cover the rush. Okay. Okay, see you guys. The important here, this video, to cover the rush problem. Instead become worse. There's a big holes until broken. So for me, I like my project even though the solution a little bit. Instead, I see the vehicle or the body of the vehicle is rushed and there's a big hole. So for me, this is enough for me just to save your money. Instead, the whole body you pay 1,000 bucks or 100 bucks because this is a whole vehicle. Is more than 20 years. This vehicle it's like 21 years. So it's not a big deal for me to a fancy paint. You know what I mean? Just to save money, easy to do and easy to repair. Okay guys, after finish this video, for the second coating after dry a couple of minutes, just click the button and button notification button bells and subscribe and to get more amazing tips coming from this YouTube channel. Okay, we wait to dry this, then we will fix next time because it's like I'm not comfortable by now. For now, just to cover the paint with primer and paint for first coating because I have lots of something to do to project for the other videos uploaded. Okay, see you guys. For this continuation of the final coating, it's done for now. Okay, see you guys. The important the this project is done for now after 3 to 4 days raining. Okay, bye.